This video walks you through how to remove a dependent in TurboTax. Start from your TurboTax account while you are already signed in, then open your current tax return. This brings you into the return you want to update, which matters if you have more than one tax year available in your account. Make sure you are inside the current return before you continue so the change applies in the right place. Once the return is open, look to the left-hand menu and click My Info. This section contains the personal details tied to your return, including the people listed in your household. After you select it, give the page a moment to load if needed. Then stay on that screen. From there, scroll down until you reach the Your Household section. Keep moving through the page until you see the list of household members and dependents that are attached to the return. You are looking for the specific dependent you want to remove, so take a second to confirm you are selecting the correct person before making any changes. When you find that dependent, check whether their details are already expanded. If the information is collapsed, expand the dependent's entry so you can see the available actions next to their record. This is where TurboTax shows options related to that person on the return. Next, click Delete next to the dependent you want to remove. Be careful not to select another household member by mistake, especially if more than one dependent is listed with similar information. After you click Delete, TurboTax may display a confirmation prompt asking whether you want to go through with the removal. If that confirmation appears, confirm that you want to delete the dependent. This finalizes the removal request inside the return. Once you confirm, TurboTax should update the household section and remove that dependent from the list. If the page pauses for a moment while it processes, wait for it to finish before moving on. After that, return to the Your Household section and verify that the dependent is no longer listed. This is the check that confirms the change was applied to the return. Look through the household entries carefully and make sure the person you removed does not still appear anywhere in that section. If the list updates correctly, the dependent has been removed from your current tax return. Thanks for watching. The dependent has now been removed from the Your Household section of your current TurboTax return.